Bonjour! I'm Frankie from Club Foodie, and today we're making my tasty Moroccan beef patties, although they can be turned into burgers. Loaded with deliciousness, this flavorful recipe is perfect to serve at your next backyard party. So let's get cooking. In a large bowl, we'll combine ground beef, finely chopped red onions, the finer the better, then a couple of pressed garlic cloves, some fresh chopped cilantro, as well as fresh chopped mint, followed by ras el hanout, which you can get my homemade blend by clicking on the top right corner of your screen. Of course, ground sea salt and freshly ground mixed peppercorns. I rarely use just black, but go ahead if it's what you have on hand. With our clean hands, we'll mix the ingredients until nicely blended. Next, we'll evenly form 6 balls before turning them into patties. We'll cover them with plastic wrap and transfer to the fridge for at least 2 hours. Alright, so later on, we'll bring the barbecue temperature between 450 and 500 degrees Fahrenheit and grease the grates with canola oil. This will prevent the patties from sticking. We'll place our patties on the prepared grates, close the lid, and grill them to desired doneness. We like ours medium rare, which takes about 3 to 4 minutes per side, give or take. Today, I'll be serving them as is with chermoula and couscous, but nothing is stopping you serving them as burgers. And my friends, these are our Moroccan beef patties. These guys are loaded with flavor. So easy to make. This is another great summer recipe to enjoy. I hope you give them a try soon. And be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!